Good morning.
No, I can't. I'm muted. They are muted, so I'm not sure. I don't know what to do.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How is everyone doing today?
I'm fine.
Thanks, ma'am.
Can we do a quick audio video check? Tatyam, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Perfect. Ayan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Great. Rudra, is all okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tushar, all fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Arushi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, great. So everything's fine. We'll just wait for a couple of more minutes. We're just waiting for so Tatyam, Ayan, Rudra, Tushar, and Arushi are here. We'll just wait for Priyamvada to join in, and then I'm just going to recapitulate all the rules and regulations that we had discussed yesterday. Did you all go through the rules for the finals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
I win.
Yes, ma'am.
I win. Read
Do
the
you
rules.
have any queries?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything that you want to ask? No? Wow, that's great. I'm so happy that you all have understood everything. So how was the experience yesterday? What did you all do after winning? How did you all celebrate? Okay, why don't you go ahead, Tatyam? How did you celebrate yesterday?
My mom was very happy that I had participated at the finals. My mom
Mhm.
said if I could win the finals, I would have a party at my home.
You've gone on mute. Okay, okay, great, really nice. And how are you, Rudra? I hope the palpitation is all fine now.
Yes, ma'am.
All happy and excited for the finals. All prepared.
Yes, ma'am. In the evening, I prepared myself.
Great, great. Hi, Priyamvada. Can we please have an audio check quickly?
Hello,
Can you
ma'am.
hear
Can
me?
you hear me?
I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Now I can hear you. Great, great.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now that everyone is here, I will just recapitulate all the rules and regulations before before Mr. Raman joins in. He will be conducting the quiz today. So Priyamada, I'll need you to have your video on throughout. Oh, okay, great. Cool. Just give me a minute. Okay, so can everybody hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am. I can hear you.
Yeah, ma'am.
So let's just...
We can hear you.
Cool. Fine. Let's just go recapitulate these rules and regulations once again, since you're already here yesterday, so you all know about it.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Your voice is really
Now
low.
it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Now
Yes,
it's okay.
ma'am.
Great. So, no paper and pen will be allowed. If anyone is seen using paper and pen, they will be disqualified. So, what was the activity we did yesterday? All hands up. No paper, no pen, nothing. Right? Great. Perfect. Okay. Please keep your cameras on throughout the session. Right? If we see that your camera is off, we wouldn't like it. We want to see you answering the questions. Please keep yourselves on mute throughout unless the teacher asks you the question. So unless Mr. Raman will ask you, don't unmute yourself. Okay. Please check your internet connection. Please check it. We don't want that you log out as soon as sir asks you the question and then, Tatyam is out. We can't see where he is, right? So just check your internet connection. It should all be fine. You are not going to be allowed to eat during the entire course of this competition. You will also not be allowed to move anywhere out during the competition. So if at all anyone wants to use the washroom, please go ahead. Please do it now and come back in 5 minutes. Does anyone want to go and use the washroom? Does anyone want to go and eat something, some snacks?
No, ma'am.
Nothing? All
No,
fine?
ma'am. Yes.
So we can sit here for 1 hour?
Yeah, ma'am. I can sit.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. Okay. And just like yesterday, I hope that no adult or parent is in the room. You're all alone. Arushi is searching for somebody. Are you searching for someone, Arushi? No. Is there, yeah, just ensure. Yeah, tell me.
No, I was just checking that my mother or father does not come back into the room.
That's great. Just lock your room from inside. Okay, I'm just
I do
joking.
not know how to lock my door.
I'm just joking. So yeah, just ensure that there is no adult in the room so that, you know, everything is fine. We don't want you to get disqualified. We've done a lot of efforts to come here, right? So all set then? All ready? Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So you remember,
Yes, ma'am.
you remember what we had done yesterday, right? How we had
Yes,
done the
ma'am.
trick system. So we'll just wait for maybe 2 minutes and then we'll do the entire trick system again, okay? To find out the sequence. Cool? Okay?
Ma'am, will today our numbers be same, or will we like do that lucky draw again today?
We will be doing the lucky draw again. Maybe
Okay,
just one
ma'am.
more minute. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So everyone knows now how to redeem themselves, right? Everyone can? Cool. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm as fine as I was yesterday.
Oh, that's great.
Good. I hope everyone else is fine. All the participants are fine.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
So we've just done the recapitulation of all the rules and regulations with them. We were just waiting for you.
They don't.
Yes.
They don't need to be repeated, right?
No, I've
No.
briefed them about everything. If there's
Wonderful.
anything extra that you would want to speak to them about,
Yeah.
you can. And we have we're just waiting for you to come in so that, you know, we could do the draws. So we'll
Yes.
just do the lucky draw the draw of the chicks right now to ensure their sequence number. So
Wonderful.
if you allow.
Perfectly. All right. Is anybody doing any welcome or anything? You know,
Yes,
what
I
is the
will
flow?
do it. I'm doing it right away.
And then you're handing it over to me, right?
Yes. I will.
All right. Wonderful. Great. So you can do the lots now.
Yeah, let's just do the lots and finish with it, and then I'll just welcome everybody.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
just like how we did yesterday, Okay, so everyone can hear me, right? Everyone can see me?
Yeah.
Just like how we did yesterday, we had
Do this.
these chits, right? I'm going to pick up these chits. I'll call out the name of the student and then pick up the chit and show it to you. And quickly rename yourselves out like how you all did yesterday, okay? So the first name is, chit is for Rudra, okay? So here you go, Rudra. Your sequence number is 2.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Right?
ma'am.
Quickly change your name to how we had done it yesterday. Okay, 2. Next would be for Tushar. Your sequence number is 6.
Okay, ma'am.
The third one out is for Ayan. Ayan, your sequence number is 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Tatyam. Tatyam, your sequence number is 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Arushi and Priyamvada. I have 2 chits here. So I'm going to take this for Arushi. And Arushi, your number is 3. So Priyamvada, that leaves you with number 1. Okay? Quickly rename yourselves. Quickly, how we did it yesterday. So while they are renaming themselves, I'll just introduce everybody and welcome everyone. So welcome to the First in Class Spell Bee Competition Finals 2021 Chapter 1, Classes 3 and 4. At First in Class, our goal is to provide your child with personalized English classes taught by some of India's most loved and experienced teachers, using curriculum developed by some of the best academicians from England and India, and the latest technology-enabled techniques to improve learning outcomes and keep track of the progress. We have students from across 50 cities and 120 schools in India, and we have successfully conducted more than 8,000 hours of teaching sessions. You can visit our website, www.firstinclass.org, for more information on the courses that we offer. I would like to invite Mr. S.V. Raman to conduct this quiz for us today. Mr. S.V. Raman, popularly known as Raju Raman, is the former program director of the Goethe Institute, Max Muller Bhavan, Kolkata. Presently, he is the program consultant to Victoria Memorial Hall, Kolkata. He teaches public speaking, communication, journalism, film, German at various institutions and is a freelance journalist, translator, and interpreter. A keen debater since his school days, he now regularly chairs and judges debates and also dons the mantle of quiz master and anchor person for talk shows, panel discussions, and other events on stage and on small screen. He is actively connected with several social and cultural organizations in various capacities. Thank you very much, sir, for coming with us on this forum and helping us out with conducting this quiz. We're glad to have you here, sir.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for me to be part of this. All the youngsters here who have made it to the finals, are you all in a good mood? Say this. If you are in a good mood, say this. If you're not, you say this. All right. Are you in a good mood? All of you are in a good mood. Wonderful. That is great to hear on a Sunday morning. So we need cheerful people like you in these difficult times. And all of you have done very well to make it to the finals. So all of you are on the mark, get set, ready to go, right? Yes or no? Good. You all know the rules, so I don't have to repeat the rules. So we can go straight away. Can you hear me clearly? Okay, all of you can hear me clearly? Very good. So the audio is fine. So my pronunciation, if I say Priyamvada, can you hear it properly? Priyamvada?
Yes, ma. Yes, sir.
Okay, and Rudra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Arushi?
Sir.
Okay, Tatyam?
Yes, sir.
And Ayan Haidar?
Yes, sir.
Tushar Chakravarti?
Yes, sir.
And if I spell Tushar, Tushar, can you hear each alphabet clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am is all right also. Nowadays, everything is fine, yeah? So no differentiations between sirs and ma'ams, yeah? Absolutely fine. And is our timekeeper ready and in place? Who is keeping time?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Okay, so you're keeping time, Giti, wonderful. And who is doing the technical part of it, the PowerPoint?
I am, sir, but I'm afraid I cannot share my screen.
No, because you don't have to share your screen as long as you're doing it. Your kavita, mostly poetry, is always invisible and it touches the heart. So that is what kavita means. So you can be invisible, yet you will touch the hearts of all the people here who are participating in this program. Wonderful. Thank you, team. All ready. We are all set to go. Okay. So as you know, the first round is going to be 7 to 9 letter spellings, and you will get +10 for a correct answer. No negative marking for this round, okay? And you will get 20 seconds to answer each of your questions. Each word will be pronounced twice and not more than that, okay? Is that clear? Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
Good. Then let us go. It is in clockwise order first. That means in this round, it will be 1 to 6. So the first question comes to number 1, and that is Priyamvada. So your word is immense. Immense.
IMMENSE.
Wonderful. Great. That is a wonderful answer to start with. Nothing like starting with the right answer. Immense is absolutely correct, Priyamvada. You get full points for that. Okay, scorer, please note. The next one is for participant number 2, that is Rudro. So, Rudro.
Yes, sir.
Your word is tomorrow.
TOMMOROW, tomorrow.
Say the final thing. You first said something, you then said something.
TOMORROW, tomorrow. This is the final one, sir.
Bang on, absolutely correct. So you got it right also, so you get full points for this. Great.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Now we go to the next one, which is for participant number 3, Arushi. And your word is shuffle. Shuffle.
SHUFFLE.
Is that right? Good. Absolutely correct. Shuffle. You shuffled around with the alphabets and got it absolutely right, Arushi. Great. Look at that smile on her face. Yeah, a sense of triumph, a sense of achievement. Great, great, great. So far, all correct answers, all 3 participants. We go on to participant number 4. And participant number 4 is Satyam, right?
Yes, sir.
Your word is earnest. Earnest.
Honest.
Yep.
HONEST. Honest.
I didn't say honest, I said earnest.
EARNEST. Earnest.
Absolutely correct, Satyam. You first heard it wrong. It can happen sometimes online. That's why I said that I didn't say honest, I said earnest. Okay, and you got it right. You get full points, Satyam. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Participant number 5, Ayan. Skillful.
Yes, sir.
Skillful.
The spelling of skillful is SKILLFUL.
Repeat that, please.
The spelling of skillful is skillful.
I'm afraid that is one L too many. So we cannot give it to you. There are no two L's. There is only one L, as you can see on the screen. SKILFUL. Okay. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, one L too many. That doesn't matter. You have several rounds to go now. Okay, Ayan. Number 6, Tushar. Your word is, listen to it carefully, courses. Courses. Like you do several courses.
Courses. COUR. SCS. Sorry. COURSES.
Okay, at the bell, you got it right. I give it to you because you were right. COURSES is courses. Absolutely correct, Tushar. You get full points for that. Okay. So can we request the scorer to give us the score at the end of round 1? Okay. Can you see your own scores, round 1? Everybody is on 10 except Ayan, who is yet to open his account. But then, as in the IPL that is happening now, you never know. Anybody can overtake anybody. Okay? Right. Good. Great. We move on to round 2. Ready for round 2? Yep.
Yes, sir.
And here in round 2, you will get 7 to 9 letter jumbled words, and you will have to unscramble them. Yeah, get the right word. So there will be jumbled letters, and you will have to unscramble them. You get plus 10 for a correct answer, no negative marking in this round, and you will get 20 seconds to answer. So naturally, as these are jumbled alphabets, you will see them on the screen. And within your 20 seconds, you will have to give me the answer. Okay? I'm not going to pronounce a word for you beforehand. All right, is that clear? Now we will go in the reverse order, which means from 6 to 1. So we go to Tushar. So let's have the first jumble word on the screen, please. There is also a hint there, a person who does something as a hobby and not as a job. Your time is up. Your time is up now. So I'm afraid you did not get that in time. So the right answer is, as you can see on the screen, amateur as opposed to professional. AMATEUR, which is pronounced amateur. Okay? Sorry about that. We will have the next jumble word for participant number 5. So participant number 5, here you are. The clue is enough and sufficient. Time. So I'm afraid you didn't get it either. The clue was probably not enough and sufficient. The clue was not adequate enough. The word is adequate. Okay? ADEQUATE. Did you know the word?
No, sir.
You didn't know the word adequate? Adequate means sufficient and enough. If you have adequate water at home, that means you have sufficient water at home. Okay? Right.
Okay, sir.
It's also a learning experience to do a spell bee. If you did not know the word, you have learned a new word for today. Is that right? Good. Now we go to participant number 4. So the jumble for participant number 4, the clue is twist and turn with quick movements.
Time.
Satyam, you didn't get that? Don't you have chewing gum sometimes? You don't? Yeah, then you would have known that one brand is called Wriggle. Okay? If you wriggle means you twist and turn with quick movements to go through a very narrow passageway. Okay? And then, okay, you didn't get that, Satyam. Sorry about that. We move on to participant number 3. And your jumble word is on the screen now. And the clue is the word means containing water.
Time.
Time is up. Now, containing water, aqueous. You know that aqua is water. Did you know that?
Yes, I knew that it had something
To do with water.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I do not even know. Did not
You
know
don't
that
even
this
know
kind
the
of word
word. Then-
exists.
Okay, okay. So it was too difficult for you. Doesn't matter. So you have learned a new word. It's aqueous, means containing water. Okay, Arushi? Good. So we move on to participant number 2. And
Yes,
your jumble word is on the screen. The leaves of this plant are edible and are eaten in salads and sandwiches. You eat it very regularly.
lettuce.
How do you spell it?
LETTUCE.
Absolutely correct. You open the account in this round. So let us have the right answer on the screen, please. Yes. And it is correctly pronounced as lettuce. Okay. Let us do this. Let us do that. Many
Okay.
of us tend to say lettuce, but okay. That's Indian way of
Lettuce.
pronunciation. It's lettuce. Okay. But you got it
Sir,
absolutely.
thank you for teaching me.
Yeah, it is a learning process, I said. Yeah, any competition you do is a learning process. You learn from me, I learn from you also. Okay, right. Good. We move on to participant number 1. And your jumble word is there on the screen. The clue is not covered and visible. Something that is visible and not covered.
Time.
Time is up. I think Arushi knew the answer there. From her expression, I think she knew the answer. Would you like to say what the answer is, Arushi? Unmute yourself and say what the right answer could be.
I think it's exposed.
You are absolutely right. But then the person to whom the question was asked didn't get it, unfortunately. It is exposed. Okay? Right. EXPOSED. So we come to the end of the second round. And scorer, can we have the score at the end of the second round, please? And at the end of the second round, we have 10, 20, participant number 1 on 10, then 2 on 20, 3 on 10, 4 on 10, 5 yet to open the account, and 6 on 10. Okay, fine. That is great. Good. Now we move to round 3. Okay, ready for round 3? It's again spellings. And this time you get 9 to 10 letter spellings. And there is a slight change here because in this round you have negative marking. So you will get plus 20 for a correct answer and minus 10 for an incorrect answer. So be very careful. Sometimes you will have to see, depending on what your position is, if you are not sure whether you would rather not answer rather than giving a wrong answer. Okay, so that you have to decide for yourself because there is negative marking. So we again go back to the sequence of 1 to 6. So the first spelling for participant number 1, Priyamvada, is scissors. Scissors.
SCISSORS.
Wonderful. Great, great, great. You didn't have to wait for the time in any case. SCISSORS, scissors, catchy is absolutely correct. Okay, good, wonderful, great. And participants, just as I said, this is thumbs up. Do you know what is the sign for applause online? If you want to applaud somebody, you don't do this, but you do this, okay? So if somebody has got something correct, you can applaud, right? Good. Or you can, yeah, show the emoticon also. Yeah, absolutely fine. Good. Great. So be participative. Appreciate the others for what they do right, all right? Good. We now move on to participant number 2.
Yes, sir.
And the spelling that you receive is receive. Receive.
RECEIVE.
Bang on. Beautiful. Very well done. So appreciate like this. Yeah. Okay. Good. Well done. Participant number 2.
Thank
You
you,
get
sir.
full points for that, Rudra. And now we move to participant number 3. That is Arushi. And Arushi, your spelling is clueless. Clueless.
CLUELESS.
You see, Arushi was not clueless there at all. She had the clue to the right spelling. She was absolutely not clueless. Very well done. Great. Great, great. Correct answer, Arushi. You were not clueless at all about the spelling. Great. So participant number 4, it is your turn now. And participant number 4 here is Tatyam, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you think what we are doing is a good exercise today? And your spelling is exercise.
EXERCISE. Exercise.
Wonderful. Great. Very well done. That was a very good exercise. Appreciate that. Wonderful, Tatyam. Great. Good.
Thank you, sir.
And now we come to participant number 5. And that is Ayan. Ayan, have you had breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Do you like everything?
Yes, sir.
So your spelling is appetite.
APETITE.
A-P-E-T-I-T-E. Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm afraid I cannot give it to you. That is wrong. So you will have negative marking for that because in your hunger and in your hurry to eat the food, you missed one P. Okay. So there are two P's at the beginning. Appetite. Okay. So you missed that, unfortunately. Sorry about that. We move on to participant number 6. And sometimes even when you have 20 seconds, right, that is a lot of time. So before you give the final answer, think in your mind whether you're giving the right answer. With these spellings also, sometimes you need to have a little patience. And that is your word, Tushar, patience. Patience.
P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E, patience.
Tushar, wonderful. Great, great, great. Wonderful. Great. Very well done, Tushar. Absolutely wonderful. Good. So you did have patience and you did get it right. Good. Great. Where do we stand now? So total of around 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are standing at participant 1, Priyambada at 30, Rudro at 40, Arushi at 30, Satyam at 30, Ayan unfortunately -10, and Tushar is on 30. Okay, Ayan, now buck up. You have some more chance. Okay, now round 4 is going to be 9 to 10 letter jumbled words. Okay, and here also you get +10 for a correct answer, and this round also has negative marking. So you get -10 for an incorrect answer, and you get 20 seconds to give the correct answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now which is the order we are going in? We are going again from 1 to 6, right? Is that right?
No, sir, we're going from 6 to 1.
See, I was just testing whether you were alert enough or not. Yeah. We are not going from 1 to 6. No, I asked the participants. I wanted them to be alert. Okay. So we go from 6 to 1, right? Okay. And here, let's have the first jumbled word on the screen for participant number 6. It's a variety of cabbage.
Sir, I can see. Yes. Tea of cabbage.
Bolo, bolo.
Broccoli.
Yeah, what is the spelling?
P-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli.
Broccoli, yeah, absolutely correct. Do you like broccoli?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very good. You see, that's why you got it right. You like it. Very good. Okay. Now for participant number 5, the next jumble word on the screen. The clue is an aromatic sweet spice made from the dried bark of an Asian tree.
Nicoman.
How do you spell it?
Nicomann.
No, it is neither Nicoman nor Spider-Man. Let's have the right answer on the screen. It is cinnamon. It is cinnamon. See, Arushi is kind of banging her head saying, yeah, why didn't I get this? Okay, okay, cinnamon. Okay, good. Sorry about that. You have negative markings for that. Okay, now we move on to the next participant, that is participant number 4, and your jumble word is on the screen. Clue is a view from a great distance that covers a very large area.
So panorama.
How do you spell it?
Panorama.
Somebody is prompting you. Sorry. Somebody is prompting you. I cannot allow that. Who is prompting you there? I'm sorry, I cannot give this to you. And please, whoever is prompting from the side, please do not do that, because the sound system is very good. We can hear that, and that would be disqualification from the whole tournament also, from the whole competition. In any case, you get negative marking for this. I am not disqualifying you from the competition, but others, be careful about whoever is prompting from the side. So the right answer is panorama. That's correct. Let the children fend for themselves. Why not? They will get it right. Absolutely. We move on to the next jumble word. That is for participant number 3. The clue is trustworthy and dependable. Arushi, you missed it. The bell has rung. What is trustworthy and dependable, Arushi? Very easy. It is reliable. Yeah, you knew that, didn't you? Arushi, you don't know the word reliable?
No, I mean, I know the word. I did not know.
Oh, but you did not get it. But you knew the word, yeah?
Seems so obvious.
Something that you can rely on. So reliable, okay? Good. That was a bad miss, Arushi. But then, as you did not give any wrong answer, you do not get negative marking for that, okay? Right. We move on to the next participant number 2, and your jumble word is
Yes,
here.
sir.
It means convince.
Persuade.
How do you spell it?
P-E-R, per, S-U-S-U-E-D-E-D, persuade. A-D-E-D, persuade.
Say that once again properly.
A-D-E.
Say the whole thing.
P-E-R, per, S-U-S-U-A-D-E-D, persuade.
Persuade. Now you have persuaded me to give you full marks. Okay, absolutely correct. So you see that on the screen.
I am learning this word.
Very good, very good. So to convince has another word which means persuade. Yeah, your friend is not agreeing to go with you to the movies. You keep on saying chalna, chalna, chalna. Hey, aaj ke film ka dekhe aise. Chal, chal, chal. Yeah, you're persuading. Okay, is that right? Good. So now for participant number 1, the next jumble word comes on the screen. It means approval or praise expressed by clapping. But online, we don't clap. Online, we do this. Yes? Can you spell it out? Can you spell it out?
A-P-P-L-A-U-S-E.
Absolutely correct. Applause you get for that. Yeah? Let's have the right word on the screen. You get applause for it. Fine. We come to the end of this round. So at the end of this round, what do we have? Scorer? We have Priyamvada on 50, Rudro on 60, Arushi on 30, Satyam on 20, Ayan unfortunately is minus 20, and Tushar on 50. Okay, good. And now we have the next round, which is also spellings, but this time it is 10 to 12 letter spellings. And please listen carefully. You get plus 30 for a correct answer. And the round has a negative marking also. If you get an incorrect answer, if you give an incorrect answer, you get minus 15. Okay? So, correct answer plus 30, incorrect answer minus 15. Is that clear? Good. So, we go to participant number 1 again. We change the order. So, Priyamvada,
Yes, sir.
your word is discipline. Discipline.
D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E.
That was a very disciplined answer. Correct, absolutely correct. Very good, very good. Full marks plus 30 for that. All right, good, great. Next one for participant number 2, Rudro.
Yes, sir.
Therefore. Therefore.
T-H-E-R-E, there, F-O-R-E, for, therefore.
Say that once again.
T-H-E-R-E, there, F-O-R-E, for, therefore.
Therefore, I have to give you plus 30 for that. Yeah, absolutely correct. Plus 30. Well done. Good. Participant number 3, Arushi. Yeah.
Yes.
This time it's not reliable, but it is something different. Your word is research. See, when people produce vaccine, they have to do research. Research.
R-E-S-E-A-R-C-H. Research.
Very well done. Research. You have done your research very well. Very good, very good, very good. Arushi, full 30 marks for you there, right? And now we move on to participant number 4, Tatyam. And
Yes, sir.
your spelling is jewelry.
Jewellery. Jewelry.
Right? Is that right?
Jewelry. Jewelry.
Okay. You're both times wrong, so you have to get negative mark because you missed an extra L over there. All right? Because we are following the British spelling mode, so this will be the right spelling, jewelry. Okay? And it's not pronounced jewelry, it is jewelry. Okay? Fine. Good. So unfortunately, you did not get that right, Tatyam. Sorry about that. We move on to participant number 5, Ayan. And
Yes, sir.
this you should be able to get, Ayan. Your spelling is altogether.
A-L-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R.
Absolutely fine. Altogether. That's altogether right. Good. Great. And now we move on to participant number 6. Tushar, your word is courageous.
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 C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S. Courageous.
Bang on. Absolutely correct. Yeah, that was a courageous answer. Very good. Even though he knew there was negative marking, he was courageous enough to give it out. First shot. Very good. Great, great, great. Very well done. Good. So let us have the scores at the end of this round. So how do they stand? Oh, we don't have the total here, right? Do we have the total here?
Koyal, I think you'll just have to scroll the screen once on the right.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. Then you can see that, right? Okay.
The scores under the final score column are the scores after round 5.
Scorer, why don't you read it out for the benefit of everyone?
Yes, sure, sir. So Priyamvada is at 80. Rudra is leading with 90 points.
Mhm.
Arushi is at 60. Tatyam is at 5. Ayan is at 10. And Tushar is at 80.
Okay, wonderful. That is great. Great, great, wonderful. And now we go to round 6. Yeah, very decisive round. Yes or no? Yes, and round 6 will have 10 to 12 letter jumbled words. You get 30 for a correct answer. And again, there are negative marks here. You get minus 15 for an incorrect answer. And as usual, you get 20 seconds to answer. Okay? Good. So all the best. And here we again go back from 6 to 1. All right? So participant number 6, your clue comes on the screen now. And the clue for the word is to say that someone or something is good and deserves to be chosen. Up. We don't want to hear other voices. There are other voices giving away the answer.
RECOMMENTET.
Time.
Okay. Let's see the right answer on the screen. That is wrong in spite of the prompting. It is recommend, not recommended. Yeah, somebody prompted recommended, and that's what you said. You have to rely more on yourself. Okay, that's wrong. So you get negative marks for that. Participant number 5. This is your jumble word. The clue is to tell about or praise a product or service in a public medium like newspaper, television, etc.
Advertisement. Sorry, advertisement.
Count the number of letters there. Why are you people blurting out answers like that?
Advertise.
Give me the final answer.
My final answer is advertise.
Spell it out, please.
ADVERTISE.
Okay, that's absolutely right. You see, be careful. Count the number of words, letters that are there. Don't make a word that is 3 letters more. Okay? So take your time. You have 20 seconds. Count the number of letters. That is the same number of letters that you will have in the ultimate right answer. Advertise is the right answer. Okay, good. We move on to participant number 4. And the clue for your word is that can be turned the other way around.
Reversible.
Give me the spelling, please.
REVRSEIBLE. Reversible.
Once again, so spelling.
REVERSEIBLE. Reversible.
The bell has gone. You gave me 2 different spellings twice. Give me the final spelling.
REVERSIBLE. Reversible.
Okay, we will give it to you. Okay, full marks for that. Right. In between, you got it wrong. You added an E in between. Yeah, that is not correct, but reversible is the right word. And you get 30 points for that. And that is not reversible anymore. Okay, good. Satyam, well done. Now we go to participant number 3. And your jumble word is on the screen. And the clue is without doubt or surely.
time.
Arushi, why did you miss out on this? I thought you would definitely get it. So what is the right answer?
Definitely.
Yeah, I thought you would definitely get it. Because the clue said also surely. So another word for surely is definitely. You missed out on that. That's unfortunate. Okay, participant number 2. This is your jumble
sir.
word. And the clue is too early before the usual time. Or before the expected time.
Premature.
Give me the spelling.
Premature.
Yeah, that came much before the time as a premature answer, and it is absolutely correct. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So it can either be pronounced, you see, the right pronunciation is actually premature, not premature, but premature. Okay. Of course, nowadays there are British pronunciations and American pronunciations, so both will be accepted. But I would tend to call it.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah?
Sorry, sir, to interrupt you, but
Yeah.
Rudra put himself on mute in the middle when he was answering. Rudra, why did you put yourself on mute?
Ma'am, I pressed my touchpad.
Yeah, and that touch was premature. You were not supposed to press it then, right?
It was coincidentally, sir.
It was coincidentally, but I will give it to you because you gave me the answer before you put yourself on mute. Okay, so that's why I'll give it to you. Otherwise, I wouldn't have given it to you. Okay, thank you, Rudra. We move on to the next participant, participant number 1, and that is, the clue is to recognize how good someone is at something and to value him or her for it.
Appreciate.
Can you spell it out, please?
APPRECIATE.
And I appreciate that. That is the right answer. Full marks to you for that. Well done. Okay. Good. Let's have the scores at the end of the 6th round.
So before we show the final scores, we'll take some time for the tallying to be done.
Okay.
In the meantime, we'll be showing a short presentation about first in class.
Please do that. একটা কলে রয়েছি, পরে ফোন করছি। আসলে একটা অনলাইন কলে আছি, পরে ফোন করছি, পরে ফোন করছি।
Well, till Koil is doing the tabulation for scores, so I'd like to thank you for helping.
No, it was a pleasure, but let's see the tabulation. Probably
Yes.
we are not yet done.
She's still calculating the finals.
I thought the Excel sheets calculate it automatically.
Also, I would now like to call upon our founder, Mrs. Kavita Potdar, so that she can also call out the scores. Kavita is the founding member of the Meknath Desai Academy of Economics based in Mumbai. She has worked in banking and finance in companies in India, US, and the UK. She has a bachelor's degree in accounting and MBA in marketing. She's a mother of 2 kids and currently lives in the UK. She is passionate about education and believes that intellectual curiosity is more important than intellect. Hi, Kavita. Welcome.
Hi. Hello, Mr. Raman. Thank you so much.
Hi, Kavita. It must be very early in the morning for you if you're in the UK now.
It is actually very, very early. It's
right.
I haven't had a chance to have my morning coffee.
Right.
But it was actually really, really amazing to watch you kids compete. I think you all were fabulous and very well done. I'd also like to acknowledge Mrs. Sain. Thank you, ma'am, for being here and seeing your school kids perform. Would you like to say a couple of words to the students?
No, I'm actually amazed to see these children's confidence, you know. Even when we are online, we fumble a lot, but then they are so happily, they were all participating, happy kids I found. It was indeed a nice 1 hour spent here. It was really nice. All the kids, they were so smart and well done children. I'm really proud to be here today. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, indeed. Thank you, sir. I really learned this. I did not know about this. I use it in my class, online classes.
But would you know the origin of this sign? Because
no, sir. Please share.
Online. The origin is because even in better times, this was the kind of applause sign used for deaf and dumb people.
All right.
Differently able. Because when people clapped in the auditorium, they couldn't hear anything. So in an auditorium also, when you appreciate those who are impaired for hearing, and you do this, you know. So
right. Thank you.
That has been carried over into sign language.
I'll do the same with my children. Now everything is online. So something that I learned. Thank you so much. Thank you, children, for a lovely morning, I must say. And thank you, first class.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And as I think somebody said, guys, participating is very important. Winning is also good, but it's about winning with grace and losing with grace. Okay, so that's what we learn when we participate in these competitions. And I think, courtesy Mr. Raman, all of us learned some new words today also. Yes? Did you guys learn some new words? Yes? New things? Yes? Okay. And it is very important to play fairly in life. Okay? That you should follow the rules and compete fairly. Okay? Because it's always winning, but the right way is important also. Winning is not everything. Okay? So I'm glad that all of you competed fairly today. And so you should give yourself a round of applause for that. Come on, everybody. Well done. And I think we are ready with the scores. Are you guys sweating a little bit? Scared? No? Happy? Okay, fine. Good. Okay. So in 6th place, we have Tatyam De with 35 points. Very well done, Tatyam. Well done. Well done. It's okay. Come on, smile. Smile. It's fine. You reached so far. You know how many people participated? 705 kids participated across 4 schools. And you were in the top 12 participants to make it here. So I want to see a big smile on your face. Come on. Well done. Very well done. Okay. And in 5th spot, we have Ayan Heather with 40 points. Well done, Ayan. Very well done. Come on, smile.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Very well done. Okay. And in 4th place, we have Arushi Sen Gupta with 60 points. Arushi. Well done, Arushi. Well done. You didn't miss it by much. You didn't miss it by much. Next time, we will have many more spell bees, and I'm sure you're going to do very well. And you've already done very well. And in third place, who gets a gift, an Amazon gift voucher of 750 rupees. In third place, does anybody want to take a guess?
It's already on the
Oh,
screen.
he'll share it on the screen already.
Tushar Chakravarti. It's already there on the screen. It's Tushar Chakravarti. Congratulations, Tushar. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Very well done. In second place, we have Priyamvada. Priyamvada Gupta with 110 points. You get an Amazon voucher of 1,500 rupees. Very well done. Buy some nice books with it. And the first prize goes to, I don't think that's a mystery anymore. It goes to Rudra. Very, very well done, Rudra. Well done. You get a Lenovo tablet from First in Class. Use it for all your online classes in school. Well done, well done, well done, guys. Very well done. You should be very, very proud of yourselves. I haven't seen such confidence as Ms. Sen said. I mean, for your age group, the way you, and very well done. Mr. Raman, would you like to say a few words to end?
I also sort of appreciate the courage that these children have and the confidence they have online, as Ma'am Sen has already said, you see, because when we were their age, you know, we didn't have this kind of courage to go up and perform confidently, right? And it is always a thin hairline between getting this position or the other position. Like Arushi, if you had got definitely, you would have definitely been in a different position now, you see, right? So it is always a very, very thin line. So everybody is a victor. Whoever makes it to the finals is a victor. So don't think of yourselves as a winner or the loser. All of you have been winners among so many people who have competed in this. So thank you very much. And thank you very much for cooperating also the way you did. Yeah, that's what I would like to say. Nothing more.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Sen, for coming. Thank you, Mr. Raman, for conducting this. And thank you, Kavita, for getting up that early in the morning and helping us with this thing. We will be getting in touch with all the winners, and we will discuss with you how and when we will be sending the prizes. So yeah, that's about it. Till we meet again for chapter 2. Yes? Bye. See you. Thank you, everybody.